Update on the Wing Dragon. I managed to find its original box. As I say, this has got me into uh, electric flight. So that would get in the magazine and all sorts of things. Park Flyer, it's called. So I've now put it back to being a kit to assemble. Two halves of the wing there to make up the wing. It just glues together with a foam-friendly PVA. There's a piece of plastic in here which goes over the middle join of the wing. Serial elastic bands that go on it. Tailplane, you might, do something with that. The transmitter, which I checked came on and worked with some batteries in it. I've taped the antenna to the back of it, and I've included some bits of plastic here. It's Cora flute, and some of it is sold as pizza base, but this is in case you wanted to remake any of the well, actually it's not big enough to remake that part. It could remake this one. You don't need to remake it. Perfectly all right. You know what, you don't need those are the gliders if I decide to do anything with it, because those are functioning. Might as well find your own. First of all, it's not big enough to make the horizontal part of the tailplane. I've taken the prop off. The prop's taped to the back of one of the wings for transport, so that's one wing as it stands. On that wing I've taped the prop onto the back of it and the plastic pieces which join onto the tailplane. You can sort all of that out easy enough. It's got all the instructions in there as well, and so you've now got something ready to pack, ready to send off, so that you can get into this electric flight. And as I say, flying it from the flattened level like this, it's underpowered with the battery that's in it. Oh, there's no battery in it at the moment. You need to get a battery, that's all. And the size of prop, any gust of wind, and it's vulnerable. Throw it off a slope when it's correctly trimmed and you're into a different area altogether. That's when you find you've got the time and the space to get the hang of flying it around. You've got the extra lift from the slope, so you're not relying on the motor. You can switch the motor off and fly around and just bring the motor on. Say if you're in a sticky position, need a bit of extra height, or when you're coming into land to give you some extra control over it. But that's what I would recommend, not trying to learn how to fly a park flyer in a park, as I said before, when there's trees. There's a tree there. Until you've learned what you're doing, no matter what you do, this plane will find that tree. That's my experience. And you're still on there because